everyone. Welcome back to 5-Minute English Talk, the podcast where we help you speak everyday English with confidence, in a simple and natural way. I'm Jane, and I'm here with Chris. Hey, Chris, how are you?
Hey, Jane. I'm doing fantastic. How about you?
I'm feeling great, and I can't wait to get into today's topic.
So this week, we're talking about something really important: native flow. In the last episode, we looked at how native speakers blend words like wanna, gonna, and gimme.
And today, we're continuing that, because once you start noticing these patterns, you'll hear them everywhere.
All right, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard someone say something like, I gotta go, and you thought, wait, what is gotta? Don't worry, let's break it down.
The full form is, I have got to, or simply, I have to. But in fast, natural speech, have to becomes gotta.
So instead of saying, I have to leave now, you'll often hear, I gotta leave now.
Listen to that again. I gotta leave now. Shorter, faster, more natural.
Now let's look at another one. This one is kinda. The full phrase is kind of.
But in real conversations, kind of becomes kinda. For example, I'm kind of tired.
Becomes, I'm kinda tired. Let's try that together. I'm kinda tired.
Nice. That sounded smooth. Now here's another very common one. Let me. In fast speech, this becomes lemme.
For example, let me check becomes, let me check. Or let me see becomes, let me see.
These are super common in everyday English. Now let's hear how these sound in a real conversation. Listen carefully.
Hey Jane, are you free right now?
I'm kinda busy. What's up?
I just need a quick favor.
All right, let me finish this, then I'll help you.
Sure, no problem.
Actually, I gotta leave in 10 minutes, so let's be quick.
Yeah, that works.
Did you catch those? Kinda busy. Let me finish this. I gotta leave. That's real, natural English.
Now here's something important. Just like we said before, these forms are for speaking.
They make your English sound more natural. But in writing, especially formal writing, always use the full forms.
All right, now let's practice together. I'll say the full version. You say the natural version. Ready? I have to go. Now you say, I gotta go. Nice. Kind of tired. Now you say, kinda tired. Perfect. Let me check. Now you say, let me check. That sounded great. Now here's your challenge. Today, listen carefully to English around you. Maybe a YouTube video, maybe a podcast, maybe even a movie. Try to catch these words. Gotta, kinda, lemme. When you hear them, pause and repeat.
That's how you train your ear. Before we finish, remember this. You don't need to force yourself to speak like this. But understanding this native flow will make English feel much easier and much more natural.
Follow our show if you want to improve your English step by step. In every episode, we cover simple and practical English you can use in real conversations, at work, with friends, and in everyday life.
If you enjoy learning English in a clear and easy way, make sure you follow the show so you never miss an episode. Thanks for being here today.
And remember, the more you listen, the more natural English becomes. See you in the next episode.